So what I want to review today is sales price lists. If I go to sales and configuration settings, I'll see here I have access to price lists. And I can specify whether I want to just do multiple prices per customer segments or currencies, and then different prices for more intense computations. And I can click this and access those price lists. Here I have a public price list and a gold standard client price list as an example. If I open up my gold standard, I can see I have two rules here. Rule one is a final product. I can apply it on different products, right? I can apply it on all products, specific product categories, specific products, and then even product variants. Right now I have it at the product level, and I have here the final product. If I open it up, I can see the sale price is $99 and the cost price is $10. Let's say if the customer orders more than five, then I'll sell it to them at um, instead of $99, $33, and I can save it. And I'll also say if they buy component three, then I'll give them this particular customer a discount of well, let's make it simple, of 50% and save it. And I can save this. And there are more details you can work on this. Like you can have formulas which pull based on a public cost or another price list. So you can say, I want to pull the value based on the cost price, and I always want to charge this customer 30% more than the cost price. Right? Let's actually use that example for a specific product, component one. Let me make sure actually I have in this example here, I have a cost price for component one, 129, 30% will be roughly like $37 more. Okay, so let's go ahead. So we have final product more than five, and then component three gets 50%, and component one gets an increase of 30. Let's test it. Well, actually, before I test it, let's go set it on a customer. So if I look at Nick Kaczynski, this client, I can go to sales and purchasing and make sure that they have this particular price list assigned to them. Once they do, it will take all rules into consideration on sale orders if this client's assigned. Let's create a quote, assign Nick Kaczynski. It applies this price. You can see the price list. Here are all my rules. I can begin adding products. Let's look at the final product. Let me just make sure. We can see I sell it for $33. It added this particular product. It sells it for 33 if I buy more than five. So now let's add six. And you'll see the unit price goes to 33. Let's also take component one and see here it's 167, and the reason why is at 30% more than cost price, and the cost price of this product is 129. And so 30%, if you take 30% of 129, it's going to be roughly 36. If you add 36 to 129, a little more, it's around 166, 167. And lastly, component three, which is this one. We had a rule that says 50% discount. So 94 times 2 should be 188. If we look at the cost price, it is, the sale price, excuse me. If we look at sale price, it's 188. Half of 188 is 94. So it applied my discounts there. And you can set these across, you can build as many rules on this price list as you want and create specific price lists and be able to assign them to specific customers. So there's really no limitations in terms of how deep and how widespread you want to go when it comes to configuring custom pricing at the client level per product. If you have any additional questions on how this works, or you want me to drill deeper into the weeds, or you have specific scenarios you want me to talk about accommodating, let me know and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks so much for your time and have a great day.